Hi everyone, today I'm talking about buying some more Pinterest shares, and I've pretty much gone and doubled my position in Pinterest stock, and I'll cover the reasons why I bought some more shares in Pinterest. Overall now, I'm kind of about at half the position that I want to be in at Pinterest. This is your first time watching my videos about Pinterest stock. I do have a full deep dive into Pinterest stock on a previous video, so I'll try link that here. I've never linked a video before to a previous video, so we'll see if that works. But we'll get stuck on today why I ended up buying some more shares in Pinterest stock. Now obviously I do like the company, and I bought shares at $23.50 on Friday last week. And one of the big things, apart from obviously loving the stock, like I've said in previous videos, is now that they reported Q4 earnings a few weeks ago, which were fantastic, and the stock went up 17% since then. And since then the stock's completely pulled back that 17%. And when I look at the reasons why, there's no reasons why apart from a few people taking profit. There has been one negative about Facebook potentially releasing a rival app, which was called Hobby, but even so, that's probably not going to take a lot of market share from Pinterest, because there's a lot more features on Pinterest, and also it's the main platform in there, and many people don't want to go get another Facebook platform anyway, so that's kind of not worrying me at all that it's going to start affecting Pinterest going forward. So like I said, the first big reason is because of the 17% pullback, which had no reason to go down. So I feel like I'm quite lucky to have this opportunity to go buy some more shares, because at 17% I don't know if I'd go buy some more. So with this pullback, it makes a good opportunity to go buy some more. And also the Q4 earnings were fantastic, which gives me another reason to go buy this stock, because it seems like what management have set out to improve the company is starting to work in Q4. When we look at Q4, obviously it was a beat on the earnings per share, and it looks like Pinterest are going to be able to do the profitability side. Revenue wise, revenue was even better, and that's because of the amount of monthly active users and how they were managed to improve the average revenue per user. Internationally, we know that's where they had to improve, and they've done that fantastic. Look at that beat on average revenue per user. It was $1.22, which was fantastic, and like we said last year, that was below $1. So for them to already be there at $1.22 this year, Pinterest are going to do a great job at monetizing the international platform, so that revenue per user keeps increasing, and that will help the profitability. And Pinterest overall should have a good profitable year going forward, and these earnings that came out just helped me kind of confirm that management were doing the right thing. So with the big pullback after this earnings, which were fantastic earnings, it seems like a golden opportunity to pick up some more shares. And I'm not gonna lie, I am thinking about buying even more maybe next week. So overall, that's the reason why I bought in from the pullback and the Q4 earnings, and I wanted to extend my position anyway because I felt it weren't big enough. And because of this pullback, I am thinking about buying some more next week, like I say, because overall right now at these prices in Pinterest, I see somewhere between this year a 30 to 50% upside in Pinterest. So January next year it should be up 30 to 50%, and I feel like I could hold this stock for 2 to 3 years, and in 2 years time I see this stock being up between 50 to 100%. As long as there isn't a recession, I see this stock being up between 50 to 100%. So I think this is quite easy money for me, because it's just insane growth. It reminds me a lot when I got into Square quite early on. That was 3 years ago. It seems like an exact replica of Square, with the kind of like revenue growth and how it's going to now increase profitability. So overall, when I see this amount of potential, I really want to get in, and at the moment for me it's one of the easiest buys on the stock market, especially when we look at how overvalued other things are. Pinterest seems quite undervalued at these prices. So I thought I'd update you, let you know that I bought more Pinterest shares, but to be honest with you, like I say, I might buy some more next week. I am looking at more Pinterest or Dropbox next week. Carnival, I'll probably wait on that a bit more to add to that, because I feel like the effects of the coronavirus will be quite longer term for them, whereas these two companies I feel like might not be down at these valuations for much longer. So I thought I'd update you with that, guys. As always, if you give the video a like, that'd be absolutely amazing. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.